The Seagull Man. The seagulls know him well. They know the hour when he comes. They know the place where he sits upon the rocky stone. They know his voice as he whispers to them. They know his care for them. This man who feeds the gulls with crumbs of bread. This is his work, his humble calling, to gather bits and pieces of feasts of richer men. Wealthy men who do not even see the gulls, nor the lowly one who feeds them. Here beside the sea, here on the edge of the human world, a world of shops and stones, a world of silver cups and golden coins, and men whose names who will be well remembered, and one whose name which was never known, except the gulls who will miss him so, the grey-beard man who comes each day, this gentleman of Providence.